We want to know how to ask or make Cursor AI add a separator line. So separator lines are sometimes important in your code, and keeping it after every single line could be tedious. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily ask Cursor AI to do it for you. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you open it up, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, just simply you can see this code with me. So we have also created similar videos of how to use Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. Now just simply select Ctrl plus A in order to select the entire code. And now once I've selected the entire code, here you can see two options, that is add to chat and quick edit. Just simply select quick edit right here. And now once I've selected quick edit, a prompter should open up, and this is the prompt. And now once your prompt has opened up, you can just simply select this prompt right here. Now just simply select enter after you have typed the prompt, and as you can see right here, a separator should be added successfully. So if you have a longer line of code, you can just simply add this, and it should be separated every single time you need it. Just simply keep, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us more of these videos. See you in the next one.